This is Farah, and today she's taking you Farah, invitation. Are we attending some kind of fancy TikTok party?
No, no, no. Let me stop you right there. I'm actually going to explain three essential concepts in contract law: invitation to threat, offer, and acceptance. All through online shopping right here on TikTok Live.
Oh, TikTok shopping. Fascinating. But hold on, invitation to treat. What's that exactly? Sounds complicated.
Yes. Well, it's actually super easy. Watch closely.
Here we see the glamorous TikTok influencer gracefully inviting Farah to buy that trendy handbag. A classic offer.
Not quite. See, right now, she's just displaying her products. Legally, this is called an invitation to treat. It's like saying, hey, check this out. Would you like it? She's inviting me to make an offer, but not yet offering herself.
Well, that's sneaky but clever. So, all these beautiful displays of products and prices on TikTok are just invitations.
Exactly. Just like when you walk past a store window, you're seeing what's available, but you haven't made any legal promises yet.
Okay, now Farah's made her decision, and click buy now, that means she accepted. Right.
Not yet. Actually, now I've made an offer. When I press buy now and confirm checkout, I'm officially telling the seller, I agree to buy this at your listed price. At this point, I'm legally committed, waiting for the seller's acceptance.
Interesting. So, Farah, you're saying clicking buy now is me officially proposing.
Yeah, exactly. It's just like saying, here's my offer. Take it or leave it.
And there we have it, payment done. Transaction complete. Money in, product coming. Easy peasy. Contract cheesy.
Yeah, exactly. At this moment, the seller has given their acceptance, confirming my order and processing the payment. A binding legal agreement now exists between me and the seller. It's official. I bought something.
Wow, Farah, I had no idea there was so much going on behind just clicking buttons. This TikTok shopping thing is seriously legal.
Right, law is everywhere, especially online shopping. So remember, everyone, when you are scrolling through TikTok live shopping, you are actually experiencing contract law firsthand. Invitation to trade, product displays, offer, you clicking buy now, acceptance, seller confirming your purchase. Now you know how it works. See you online.
Thanks for teaching us. Farah, who knew contracts could be so TikTok friendly?